Fearless as Anita in West Side Story and as self-reliant as Aurora in Kiss of the Spider-Woman, she has broken barriers under Broadway's lights and inspired a generation of women to follow in her remarkable footsteps.
So Hawa, human rights activist, thank you for giving voice to the women and children of Darfur and for your fearless advocacy for the rights of all marginalized Darfuris.
But it's also a story of people, of determined, fearless, hopeful people who have always been willing to devote their lives to making this country a little more just and a little more free. She is fearless, she is tough. I also know that everybody here must be fearless because the football team kicks off against number 2 Ohio State next weekend. Let me be the first to say happy Valentine's Day to our fearless leader, Nancy Pelosi.
His fearless and efficient performance enabled both his own unit and the unit to his right to continue to their objective.
And she told me about Wells and his fearless spirit. And she showed me a handkerchief like the one he wore that morning.
His gallant stand and fearless leadership inflicted severe casualties upon Confederate forces and opened wide gaps in their lines, directly impacting Union forces' ability to repel Pickett's charge.
And as a country, one of our greatest resources are the young people who are here today. Digitally fearless and unencumbered by convention and uninterested in old debates.
For bridges to be crossed. And it is you, the young and fearless at heart, the most diverse and educated generation in our history who the nation is waiting to follow. Because Selma shows us that America is not the project of any one person. Because the single most powerful word in our democracy is the word we. We the people.
There's something fearless and true about jazz.
In them we see America itself, constantly reinventing itself, fearless, looking out over the horizon of the next frontier.